All right. So we had General Kenobi yesterday. General Obi-Wan Kenobi. Who will be today? And I'm not even going to ask because we know it's number one. Okay. We only open once. We only have one. So the odds that we get something new should be really, really good, right? Yeah. Yeah. And by the way, the cubes are different. I was looking at an older video. The color scheme is not the same. Okay. What are we thinking? I want the Grail Padme when she had the white face and the big fancy dress. Like, that would be cool. Come on. Or any of the malls. Oh, and we ended up with a common Padme.
The opposite.
The opposite of the Grail Padme. Exactly. There she goes. And I gotta tell you, look, they really... Watch this. Oh, alright. Everybody's gotta watch this. Oh, I missed one. Look at her. I mean, there's her face. Let's get a clearer picture. Right? I mean, look at her there.
Oh my god.
It does this again. Every time you switch away and you switch back, it looks like it opens, but it doesn't.
Wait, no. That's cool.
Yeah, it is kind of cool. But it's actually not opening. See? But yeah, it looks like her, right? They did a really good job. They gave her those big Cryptoys eyes, but it looked like her. Let's see, and there she is in that outfit.
Yeah, that outfit kind of creeps me out.
Yeah, it is kind of strange looking.
Yeah, it's
but,
scary.
Yep, I mean, I just take like more looks at the... There you go, look at her there. All right? And look at her there. She looks great.
Mm-hmm.
That is a cartoon version of this person for sure. A cryptoified version. Excellent work as always, art team. All right, that's it. We've got a common. Let's go ahead and... You know, in the beginning, we don't have too many preferences, right? We just want to try to get as many as we can. So anytime we fill one in, we're happy. So, cool. We'll see you tomorrow.